Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So on the dollar yen, like I've been saying, we do have a couple options. Option number one is that this is an ABC correction to the last 5 waves up. It makes 3 waves down, probably to a Fibonacci retracement of this move up, and then continues the uptrend. Option number two is that this is actually a 1, 2, 3. It stretches out like this, making a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, taking out the low of wave 4. Notice that both options are basically exactly the same until you get to about this point right here, which is why I keep saying that I don't care whether it's an ABC or 1, 2, 3. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I have it labeled as an ABC, but it definitely could be a 1, 2, 3. We need to pay very close attention to our Fibonacci levels for a reversal to the downside. Keep in mind that this is the weekly monthly time frame, so even if this does do as we plan, it's probably going to take many months for this to play out. Going down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I think this is a wave A. I still think this looks like an A, a B, and an expanding flat wave C. Now, until we actually go down and break some structure on these much higher time frames, we really can't say that this move is over and that we're really into a downtrend for a wave C. As of right now, we still have to consider that most moves to the downside very likely could just be a correction to the last wave up, especially because we're not really at a Fibonacci retracement level. So the trend is definitely technically still up. Going down to the 4 hour time frame now, we do have a breaker structure on the 4 hour. What does that breaker structure tell us? That tells me that this wave from here to here is over. It definitely does not tell me that the wave B on the daily is over or the weekly is over. So now we have two options again. Either this is going to be a correction to this move up right here, it's going to go down to one of these fib levels and reverse to the upside, or it's going to be a complete trend reversal, which will eventually go down and break these lows right here. So really what I would probably do is look for sorts at the end of pullbacks where we learn whether it's a correction to the uptrend or while we learn whether it's a trend reversal. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, now that we'll have a breaker structure, I think that we can justify looking for shorts. I personally would only go short on pullbacks. I definitely wouldn't be going short right now. So if this does start a move to the upside, maybe later on today or next week, then makes an engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement of the move down, then that would be the next trade that I would be interested in, which is going short at the end of either an A, B, or going short at the end of a 1, 2. Like I said, it's either going to be an ABC correction to the uptrend or it's going to be a 1, 2, 3 to the downside, like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.